Hello kids, let's play the animal guessing game. Here's the first animal. Can you guess what it is? It's a fox. Great job! Now, let's see the next animal. Do you know what animal this is? It's a parrot. Now, let's see what's next. Which animal is this? It's a panda. Amazing! Can you guess what animal is this? It's a snake. Great work! Now, let's guess the next animal. Can you see what animal is this? It's a peacock. And now, get ready for the next animal. Tiger. Great! Now, let's see our next animal. A cat, my favorite animal. Great work! Now, let's see what's next. A dog. Great! Now, let's see our next animal. It's a giraffe. Now, let's move on to the next animal. A bear. Do you know what animal this is? A rabbit. How about this animal? Do you know what this is? It's a pig. Great work! Now, let's guess the next animal. What can this animal be? It's a rhinoceros. Now, let's see what's next. How about this one? It's a hippopotamus. Do you know what animal this one is? Wow, it's a monkey. What can this animal be? It's a crocodile. Can you see what animal is this? It's a gorilla. Who's this cute animal? It's an armadillo. Now, let's see what's next. Do you know what animal this is? A chameleon. Great work. Now, let's guess the next animal. It's a frog. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.